How to find the value of the algebraic expression? Well, you can directly plug in the value of x, but you will see the calculation would be terrible. So let's figure out a better way. Let y be the conjugate of x. So let y equals square root of 5 minus 1 over 2. Let's see what is x times y. So x times y equals square root of 5 plus 1 over 2 times square root of 5 minus 1 over 2. Using difference of squares formula, so we get the square of square root of 5 actually 5 minus 1 square over 2 times 2, 4. So we see the outcome is 1. We denote it as condition 1. So x times y equals 1. Let's look at x minus y. So equals square root of 5 plus 1 over 2 minus square root of 5 minus 1 over 2. Square root of 5 minus square root of 5 cancel out. 1 minus negative 1 equals 2 over 2. Again, we get 1. We denote as condition 2. Now we can use condition 1 and 2 to simplify the given expression. Let's go. So x cubed plus x plus 1 divided by x to the power 5. Using condition 1, we replace 1 by x times y. So we get x cubed plus xy divided by x to the power 5. Top bottom divided by x. So we get x squared plus 1 plus y over x to the power 4. Now we can use condition 2 to replace 1. So we get x squared plus x minus y plus y over x to the power 4. Cancel negative y and y. So we get x squared plus x over x to the power 4. Again, top and bottom divided by x. So we get x plus 1 over x cubed. Now we apply condition 1 to replace 1 by x times y. So we get x plus 1 is x times y divided by x cubed. Again, divided by x. So we get 1 plus y over x squared. Now we use condition 2. Again, replace 1 by x minus y. So x minus y is 1 plus y over x squared. Cancel negative y and y. So we get x over x squared divided by x again. So we get 1 over x. Again, apply condition 1. We know 1 equals x times y over x. Cancel x again. So we get y. So the final answer would be square root of 5 minus 1 over 2. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you.